Hello and welcome back to day 3 of 5 of our week-long series on how to grow your Instagram following for your carpet cleaning business. I am Ruben from Legend Brands, and yesterday we spoke about how to properly use the hashtags to tag your posts to reach as much of your target audience as possible. Well, today I'm excited because we're going to be talking about probably the most effective method to grow your Instagram following, especially in those early days. Now, speaking of following, we are tracking my followers this week because we want to make sure that what we're talking about once we put it into practice actually works. So here's the number of followers I currently have. Here's the amount I've gained so far. Our goal is to gain 100 followers this week, so not bad. Let me know how you're getting on in the comments below. Now, if this is the most effective way of growing our following, why didn't I talk about it first? Well, I'm talking about it after we've spoken about making posts and tagging them properly, because the method we're going to talk about today is a way to bring people to our feed. And once they're at our feed, we want to already have media on there that is an accurate representation of our company and the services we offer. Best practice is to use as much original media on your Instagram feed as possible, rather than using stock art or clips. Even if you feel the kind of media that you produce is of a low quality, there are plenty other feeds out there that use only stock media that you will offer nothing unique or any kind of incentive for people to follow you if you're just doing the same as them. So be yourself on Instagram, that's incredibly important. Be yourself on any social platform for that matter. Now, how are we going to bring these people to your feed? Well, in this, Instagram is the same as any other social media platform. The more you give, the more you will get. This is a community after all, albeit a digital one. So engage with other people in the industry that you are in. We're going to talk about how we can best search for tags or people or a subject matter, and how we can interact with those people and those channels, and how in turn they are likely to reciprocate that by following us, and we can start to build relationships with those around us. Even our so-called competition, anyone who's in the same industry on the same kind of services that we offer, we want to be engaged with. And in turn, they will likely engage back with us, which in turn will grow our following and influence with the target market that we're trying to reach. It's always a good look when your potential customer clicks on your feed, however we've reached them, and they see that we are a thriving, regularly posting channel with a lot of followers. It's going to leave a great impression. And as long as we have a great call to action on our profile itself, that will make the phone ring and earn us business. Also, it's good to bear in mind that what we're about to do, we need to do in bursts against a single profile, and move on to the next, and move on to the next. It's about quality and not quantity. If you can do this method for 35 to 45 profiles a day, you will get those 20 followers a day that you're after, because I found a success rate of about 50 to 60% of the number of people we do this against who will follow us back. So, without further ado, let's throw 59 seconds on that clock, and let's get into it.
Start by searching an industry-specific hashtag with at least 10,000 uses. Make sure you are viewing the most recent posts of that hashtag, and then click one that interests you. If you like it, and leave a comment that's meaningful rather than generic emojis or such. Then, click on the user and begin liking other posts of theirs that stand out to you, and comment on those that you have something to say or something about. Be genuine and be yourself. You want to comment on at least one post and like at least 5 posts if possible per user. Finish by following the user and you're done. Click back to the search feed again and move on to the next post. Once you've exhausted that hashtag or want to be further connected with a different segment of your industry, start the process again using a different hashtag.
So there we have it. That is my best method for how you can grow your Instagram feed. So get out there, be yourself, make some friends, and in the process, you'll earn some business too. Here are some great profiles you should start by following on Instagram. Most of them will follow you back, I'm sure. I certainly will, as will Legend Brands. If this series has been helpful to you, please like this video, share it across your social platforms, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That actually really makes a difference. Join us tomorrow, where I'll be talking about how to stay engaged with your home feed that will give you a second swing at picking up some of those followers that you've applied today's method to but have not yet followed you back. All right, we'll see you then. Happy gramming.